Do you know which sound is this? This is the sound A. Sound A. Sound A. Let's see how can we write the lowercase a. To write the lowercase a, first make a standing line, then go round and round. Do you know which sound is this? This is the sound A. Sound A. Sound A. Let's see how can we write letter O. All you have to do is make a round circle. And voila! Here is our lowercase o. Which sound is this? This is a sound B. Sound B. Sound B. Let's see how can we write the lowercase b. So to write the lowercase b, first of all make a standing line and then make a small circle adjoining the standing line. Okay, so this is our next sound. This is the sound A. Sound A. Sound A. Well, how can we write the lowercase e? Let's see. So to write the lowercase e, make a straight line and then go up a little bit and then come down like a slide. Well, moving on to our next sound. This is a sound K. Sound K. Sound K. Well, do you know how to write the lowercase c? Let's see. Start at the top and at the halfway round. Our next sound is the sound N. Sound N. Sound N. Well, let's see how can we write the lowercase n. So, first make a standing line, go up and over. Our next sound is sound E. Sound E. Sound E. So to write the lowercase I, make a standing line and dot at the top. Our next sound is the sound IL. Sound IL. Sound IL. Well, how can we write the lowercase l? Make a standing line. Wait, one more thing to do. Now go, write and practice the following letters in your copy. Good luck!